Hi everybody, this is Mary with Nelson Nursery and Water Gardenings, and I'm going to tell you the most important tip of gardening in the heat. It's 92 degrees outside. Getting all of my small plants watered. The smaller they are, the more water that they need. I've got a fountain over here. I can tell it needs some water. I've got some bubble and foam popping up on it. So that's telling me that my pump is starting to suck up some air. I'm adding some water into here. That way my pump doesn't run dry and my fountain has that nice bubbling, relaxing sound to it. But really, the most important thing when I am gardening in the heat, I find myself some shade. And hydrate. I've been doing all the watering for my plants and my fountains, but I am the most important thing that needs to be watered. And we actually need to be drinking on a 90-degree day 16 ounces of water every 30 minutes. And you know what? The best part about this is I can just take my shoes off and cool off in the pond.